You know what's strange about Windows 11? It looks modern, it feels smooth, but when you actually start using it every day, you begin to notice small limitations. Simple things take extra steps. Basic actions feel slower than they should be. And that's where Microsoft PowerToys completely changes the experience. It doesn't replace Windows, it upgrades it, quietly, in the background. And once you get used to it, going back feels almost impossible. Let's start from the easiest part, installing it. Open Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type PowerToys. You'll see Microsoft PowerToys by Microsoft Corporation. Click Install, wait a few seconds, and that's it. No complicated setup, no confusion. Just open it, and now you have access to a full set of powerful tools. Now here's the important thing to understand. PowerToys is not one feature. It's a collection of small utilities, each designed to fix a very specific problem in Windows. Individually, they may seem simple, but together, they completely change how you use your system. Let's talk about window management first, because this is where most people struggle without realizing it. FancyZones gives you structured control over your screen. Instead of dragging windows randomly and resizing them again and again, you create layouts, clean sections, defined spaces. Now, when you move a window, it snaps exactly where you want it. Everything feels organized, especially if you work with multiple apps. Browser, terminal, files, all open at once. It reduces friction, and that's the real goal here. Next, file management. Windows Explorer is fine, but when it comes to bulk actions, it's limited. PowerRename fixes that instantly. Instead of renaming files one by one, you handle everything at once. You can replace text, add numbering, clean file names, all in seconds. It turns a repetitive task into something almost effortless. And once you use it once, you'll never want to go back. Now think about how often you search for things on your PC. Apps, files, quick calculations. The default Windows search works, but it's not fast. PowerToys Run changes that completely. It's instant. You press a shortcut, type a few letters, and you're already there. No delays, no distractions. It feels direct, like your system understands what you want. Then there's customization and control. Keyboard Manager gives you the ability to reshape how your keyboard behaves. Keys that you never use suddenly become useful. Shortcuts become faster. Your workflow becomes personal, not forced. And sometimes it's the smallest tools that make the biggest difference. Color Picker is a perfect example. You see a color anywhere on your screen and you capture it instantly. No guessing, no third-party tools. Just one shortcut and you have the exact value. Then there's system behavior. Awake solves something very simple but very annoying. Your PC going to sleep when you don't want it to. Instead of digging into power settings, you just turn it on and your system stays active. That's it. Image Resizer is another example of simple but powerful. Right-click, resize, done. No need to open heavy apps, no waiting. It keeps things fast. And then you have those subtle quality-of-life tools. Always on top keeps important windows visible. Find My Mouse helps you instantly locate your cursor on large screens. Preview features let you see files without opening them. None of these sound huge on their own, but together they remove small frustrations that add up throughout the day. And that's really what PowerToys is about. It's not flashy, it's not trying to impress you with one big feature. It improves the little things over and over again, until your entire experience feels smoother, faster, more intentional. Now, here's how you should actually use it. Don't turn everything on at once. Start with one or two tools. Use them for a few days. Let them become part of your routine. Then slowly explore more. Because the real power of PowerToys comes from habit, not just features. At the end of the day, Windows 11 is a good operating system. But with PowerToys, it becomes a great one. More efficient, more flexible, and much closer to how you actually want your computer to work. If you haven't tried it yet, install it once, use it for a week, and you'll see the difference for yourself. That's it, and I'll see you in the next one.